Hi everyone, this is Dr. Vijay Bhattiprolu coming from Chennai, currently practicing in Chennai. I just want to start, I'm interested in hair transplant. I just want to start my clinic in my place and don't know how to and where to begin with. Then I came to know about this Elegance Vidhyalaya headed by Dr. Ashutosh Shah sir, which is in Surat. About all the basics of hair transplant, FUT versus FUE, the non-surgical management for the hair loss, and the marketing, the GST, whatnot, everything. Like if you want to start a clinic and this will be like a stepping stone or the basic course in which every plastic surgeon or a dermatologist can come here and visit the place. You won't regret. The every penny you spent on this course is worth, and I suggest everyone to take this course. Thank you.